professionals, you're welcome to this episode of Career Talk with Skills. Today, we are going to be exploring a very important topic that is very pertinent to your career. You see, when you look at the current business environment, you will see that it is no news that the rate of change in business processes, systems and capabilities are emerging at an all-time high. And as a result, the ability to adapt, to innovate and thrive amidst all these uncertainties cannot be overemphasized for you as a professional. So, what do you have to do as a professional? You have to double up your responsiveness to the changing workplace dynamics. And that is why in this Career Talk with Skills, I am going to be talking to you about how you can navigate your career growth by harnessing the 4 Agile values, which are individuals and interactions, working software, customer collaboration, and responsiveness to change. Adapting these Agile values will improve your resilience, creativity, and career success. So, the first Agile value is individuals and interaction. This first Agile value emphasizes the importance of prioritizing individuals and their interactions over processes and tools. In the context of your career growth, this principle, underscores the significance of building strong relationships in your career, fostering collaboration, and nurturing a supportive professional network. So, rather than solely focusing on technical skills or formal education, as a professional, you have to put effort into investing in soft skills such as communication, empathy, and teamwork. These soft skills can significantly enhance your career trajectory. You need to quit solo working and actively seek opportunities to understand your colleagues' perspectives, to communicate clearly and resolve conflict constructively. Doing this would improve your efficiency, visibility, and recognition within your organization as well as your professional networks. The second Agile value says working software, or you could call it working system, working solution. And this value advocates delivering tangible results and value to stakeholders through this creation of working solution. Translating this principle to career development, I encourage you to prioritize action, to prioritize experimentation, and to prioritize continuous learning. Instead of waiting for the perfect opportunity or seeking perfection, you should embrace a mindset of learning by doing so as to gain a practical experience, to iterate your skills, and to demonstrate your capabilities in the workplace. To grow is to continually improve and to learn from your mistakes or errors. You need to experiment more and adapt your tactics based on feedback. With this attitude, you will not only stay ahead of your peers and industry trends, you will also be able to drive tangible results as well as position yourself as a valuable asset for any system you find yourself. The third value underscores the importance of engaging customers throughout your development process or throughout the execution of your tasks, so as to ensure alignment with their needs and expectations. Of course, the only reason why you're carrying out that task is to satisfy your stakeholders or your customers. And when I say customer, I mean both the external customers and your colleagues who rely on your output. In the context of your career growth, this principle emphasizes the value of understanding and prioritizing the needs of those who rely on your output, whether they are your clients, they are your colleagues, or your employer. When you actively seek feedback, when you actively anticipate evolving requirements, and you align your goals with the broader objectives of the organization, then you can cultivate strong partnership and drive meaningful impact within any system that you find yourself. To practice collaboration, then you need to get out of your cubicle. You need to practice open communication, and you need to seek feedback at key milestones and continually adapt your approach based on changing priorities, based on your stakeholders' requirements. This type of mindset would help you to build trust and loyalty as well as meet or exceed your client's expectations. The fourth Agile value is responsiveness to change. And this fourth value highlights the importance of embracing change as a natural and inevitable aspect of any endeavor. In the context of your career development, This principle underscores the need for adaptability, the need for resilience, and a growth mindset. Rather than resisting change or clinging to outdated strategies, you should embrace uncertainty, you should seize opportunities and continually improve your skills and perspectives. You should constantly seek out training and development, such as attending courses at training organizations who deliver five-star service delivery, such as Skills Management Center, or you stay informed about industry trends and embrace new technologies as it keeps changing. With this mindset, you will remain competitive and resilient in the face of change, as well as earn the respect of your peers and your managers. In conclusion, the Agile values offer valuable insights and principles that you can leverage to navigate your career growth with confidence, adaptability, and resilience. By prioritizing individuals and interactions, delivering tangible results, collaborating with stakeholders, embracing change, not only will you thrive amidst uncertainty, but as a professional, you will also drive meaningful impact and success in any field. And who wouldn't love that? So, embrace agility and let your career journey be characterized by innovation, growth, and endless possibilities. Remember, you do not have to do Agile to be Agile. Be Agile and watch your career soar. I'll talk to you again soon.